홀로 걸어가기에 너무 힘들고 두려울 때 두 눈을 감아본다. 날 사랑하는 가족, 날 의지하는 친구, 세상 변해도 변함이 없이 내 곁에 함께하는 우리 가는 길, 때로 평탄치 않고 막막해 보인다 해도 우리가 걸어가는 길은 하늘이 바라는 길이니 우리도 훗날 제왕나비처럼 언젠간 꿈을 이루리. 부모님 꿈꾸는 세상이 이루어질 그날까지 나아가리라. 이 험한 세상 두렵더라도 부모님께서 가시는 이 길 우리들도 걸어가리. 그것이 자녀의 도리니 우리 가는 길, 때로 평탄치 않고 막막해 보인다 해도 우리가 걸어가는 길은 하늘이 바라는 길이니 우리도 훗날 제왕나비처럼 언젠간 꿈을 이루리. 부모님 꿈꾸는 세상이 이루어질 그날까지 우리도 훗날 제왕나비처럼 언젠간 꿈을 이루리. 부모님 꿈꾸는 세상을 꼭 이루어드리리라. 꼭 이루어드리리라.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for sharing your time tonight again, and a warm welcome to all of us who are here today for our 6th week of our Hyojong camp. So before we start, let us offer our bow of love, respect, and gratitude to our Heavenly Parent and true parents. 차렷, 경배, 가로.
Could you lead just a short prayer to start?
Okay, let us pray. Our loving Heavenly Parent and our victorious true parents of heaven and earth and humankind, especially our true mother, Holy Mother Han. We are very grateful that you have allowed us to convene every Tuesday to truly learn and understand the process of how we can be able to bring victorious and substantial results and the substantial foundation of building our own churches, our own community, centering upon our true mother. We are inviting your holy presence to be with us from beginning until the end, and guiding our Leonor Timjang Nim so that she can have the power and the inspiration from you to truly convey the teachings and the education that we have learned from Professor Gill. We hope and pray that all our Filipino sisters who have joined this pioneering 16-week Hyojong camp purposely for international members could be able to seriously understand, sincerely and artistically understand the significance of why we have to do this and what should be done according to your will, according to our true mother's desire, and how we can be able to fulfill the ideals and achieve the long cherished dream of our true parents, centering upon our true mother. So tonight, as we open this session, we would like to prepare our hearts and our minds to be able to absorb the things that we have to learn and could have the greatest realization after this so that we could be able to practice and substantialize the things that we are learning. Only by doing this, upon learning and doing this, we can be able to completely understand the true heart of our true mother in bringing the 8 billion population of the world towards our true parents and prepare the entire world to truly attend Heavenly Parent here on earth. As we enter the era of heaven's direct dominion, and as we enter the era that we all become your direct children, may we can be able to truly stand as responsible daughters in front of your will and responsible partners of our true mother in realizing your Chonilguk world centering upon the Chonilguk Korea. We would like to thank you for everything. We bow our heads with gratitude and we open our hearts with sincerity. In all these things, we would like to offer and pray in gratitude. Holy Mother, Hanul Moshin, Chukbok Kajong, Winnie Kaime Rumuro, Kam Sakido, Puga Somnaida, Aju.
Thank you so much, Bishop Winnie, for that heartwarming prayer. This time, I would like to request everybody to pay attention for our
To the third week of our 16-week Hyojong camp. Even though we are all busy with all our schedule, we still manage to continue consistently our 16-week camp. Let's congratulate ourselves. Okay, now it's time to recite our team's vision. Let's recite our team vision. Let's create a happy, hand-filled community centering on true love. Now, let us recite all together our mission, statement, and covenant. Bamboo Yodong Team, mission and covenant. B, believe in God, our heavenly parent. A, attend heavenly parent and true parents. M, make a meaningful life. B, be a blessing to others. O, overcome ego. O, observe good manners. Okay, thank you very much. First, I would like to ask you to share where you would most like to be invited to in your lifetime. Kung iimbitahan ka, halimbawa ka sana may mag-invite sa akin sa ganitong event. For example, in my case, actually one of my bucket list is to go to London. I wish one of my friends in England would invite me to come to London. Okay, that's it. So how about Erwin?
Kanya London. Sa akin naman, sa Rome.
Rome?
Yung sino yan? Si Pope yan. Na-invite ako pupunta doon sa, ayan, sa
Vatican.
Sa Vatican.
Kung
bumilang ba? Kung bumilang ba?
Kaya na. Kaya na. How about you?
Ako gusto kong pumunta sa bahay ng presidente ng Korea.
Blue House.
Hindi pa ako.
Kapade. We can visit outside. Actually, there's a package tour. We can schedule our Seoul City tour. Okay, I think mas madaling ma-fulfill lang invitation na yan. How about you? How about you?
Sa akin, very impossible nangyari. Pero sabi
Oh,
nga,
there's
David,
okay.
kasi ako, sometimes, I'm curious. I want to see heaven.
You want to visit,
Dream.
and then you will come back here.
Kasi curious kasi tayo, di ba? Talagang curious ako. Sabi ko, what it looks like, ganyan. Kumbaga, parang yung nananaginip ka lang ba? Yung sa dream mo ba, na ipakita talaga sa'yo yung talagang exact na. Yun. Ganun. Kasi talagang curious ako talaga.
What is the reason you want to see heaven?
Wala ka talaga nakakita, hindi pa natin talaga. Kumbaga, parang magiging aware ka sa lifestyle mo, sa pamumuhay mo dito. Dahil alam mo yung
Suddenly, it reminds me of one of my favorite words from True Mother. True Mother said, "Always be aware that your life on earth is a preparation for the spirit world, and it's not measured by power, by your position, but by the love that you give, or for the service that you give for the sake of others."
That is a work of art.
Okay. Now, do you know the song "Goodness of God"?
Yeah.
Okay, let's sing it together.
I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me, and all my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. In all my life you have been faithful. In all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire. In darkest nights, you are close like no other. I've known you as a father, now I know you as a mother. Now I live in the goodness of God.
I'd like to offer our sincere gratitude for allowing us to gather together and offer this hour in front of heaven. Thank you for always guiding our team, protecting us, and helping us to continue this journey with heart and unity as we continuously build our relationships and witness and prepare to invite people. Let us read the word quietly as we listen.
Every day when I open my eyes early in the morning, I start my day with prayer and meditation, and I think carefully about to whom I will give my time and what I will do and put it into practice. Religious teachings, political and social reforms are important, but they alone cannot create a happy world. True love is putting on a pair of socks for a neighbor who is shivering in the cold, sometimes sacrificing oneself completely to a stranger without expecting anything in return and forgetting everything.
Now, it's time for us to share our thoughts. Find the keywords that resonate with you. Annalisa, do you want to share first?
Dito sa carefully think and put into a practice.
Okay, carefully think and put it into practice. Why did you choose this keyword?
Kasi
So,
kanina,
mm-mm.
nag-praying sa yung ating Japanese sister, napaiyak ako ba? Sabi ko, ang galing-galing yung mag-pray, ba't ako na diba? Kung i-build din sa akin sarili ba, maging marunong.
But you are praying, but you want to
Oh,
pray longer.
Pray ako ba? Thank you. Parang sa taong gano'n mga express lang. Ako lang sa inyo pala dadasal. Ang haba ng dasal nila. Paano nila magdasal? Matakot ako magdasal.
Ako din noon talaga actually. Hindi rin naman ako magaling mag-prayer. When I was young, I am fond of writing prayers.
Kasi yung tabi mo, diba? Our Father. Oh, sa uno natin yung
Okay, that is a good habit, you know. Maybe you can write a prayer that you will read. So, parang novena, and then magpa-practice yun. Parang pledge natin. Di ba yung pledge natin, dati binabasa lang natin, ngayon nakabisado na natin. So, and then mag-develop yan.
Pero ate, advice ko, long prayer lang naman ang gusto mo, di ba? Isipin mo lang naman lahat yung mga dapat na pagpapasalamat mo.
Ay, lagi ko na yan.
Endless
Lahat,
naman yung
lahat.
pagpapasalamat. Mahaba na yun.
Lahat. See, just think of Heavenly Parents, your parents. Just go. Kahit wala ka lang isipin. Okay, thank you very much, Annalisa, for a very honest sharing. Now, Erwin, please share more.
Akin naman.
Please touch our heart.
Touch ko siya. The reason to live.
The reason to live. Yes.
Akin naman ito. Start the day with prayer and meditation.
Prayer warrior of our team.
Kasi kami, every morning naman talaga kami, 6 o'clock, kumbuki sa family namin sa Pilipinas. Alam mo ba yung every morning, yun na talaga ang topic niyan. Masaya na ako, makita ko tayo.
Mama, ay,
Diba?
Maganda na siya.
Kaya yung, hindi ka pwede mag-absent.
Mm.
Minsan talaga na overcoming kasi,
Kaya.
overcoming talaga no, kasi minsan, ay, pagod, pwede pa ba ako ngayon? Bakit ganun ba, Philip? Kaya lang, nakusin siya kasi sabi na may
Kita mo.
sana si Marion, sana si ganito, ganyan.
Mga natin sa'yo.
Yun lang ang longing nila ba, aside sa one, yung longing nila na matanda na sila kasi hindi na lang yung in the future. So yun, isa din yun sa
So, the main reason is not only prayer, but to show their presence in front of their father and mother.
So online. So Korea time is 6 a.m. So Philippine time is 5 a.m.
Here's Thank you for the sharing of thoughts, and let's continue. Today, we will put ourselves in the shoes of a person invited, and let's talk about your best. Best. What is best? Before. What is your life? What is your situation? Event. An event happened that became a turning point in your life. Salvation. Because of that event, I said it was a turning point that changed your life. And then, today. Now, because of the salvation that you received, what are you today? Who wants to share your best? Helen, please. Okay, what is your B?
Before, in Philippines, I am sales lady.
Sales lady.
Oh.
Yeah. So you were a sales lady. That was you before. So
SM, Cubao.
that is your B before.
Mm.
And then E.
Event?
Yeah, event.
During my sales lady time,
When you were working.
tawagin nila ako na matandang dalaga. How to say that in English?
Old maid.
Oo. Kasi ako na yung 29 years old, going to 30. While my co-workers is only 20s, pero may mga family na sila.
Okay.
So, events, siyempre, alam na sales lady, nakatayo. So, may lumapit sa akin na nag-invite na umattend daw ng seminar, ganito, ganyan, ganon. So, siyempre, curious ako. So, umattend naman ako. So, I know her. So, attend mo, hindi ka pa nag-aasawa. So, walang plano mag-asawa. So, dahil nga sa events na ito, kumbaga parang sumunod na lang ako yan. Dahil nag-seminar, maganda naman yung inano nila. Kasi,
And that event led you to S, your salvation.
after the seminars, attend daw ng blessing eh. Yes.
Okay, so T, today, what is your life?
I am now a mother, I am now a wife. So, I have a family. Yun ang life ko today.
So do you have any regrets?
I don't have any regrets.
Okay, so no regret.
No regrets.
Okay, so okay.
No
And now let's ask our best tita. Tita, can you share a work
As a
intern?
in Bureau Blanc in Palawan.
Yes.
Then after that,
I go to Manila because my brother's there. After that, I'm working as a secretarial in Onpin.
Ongpin,
Yeah,
Ongpin,
2 years,
Chinatown.
Chinatown.
Years, okay, so that was your before. Now let's go to your event. Okay.
Then my event, I met the sister, my work. Sabi niya, ilang taon ka na, ganyan, ganyan. Sabi ko, 29. Niya, hindi ka pa mag-ilang. Sabi ko, wala nga akong boyfriend. Hindi ako mag-aasawa ng Pilipino. Talagang na yun sa akin.
At sinasabi mo yan doon sa kausap mo.
Oo, tapos sabi ka, sige, punta tayo ng center.
Sabi ng babae na.
Sabi niya, punta tayo.
Cubao,
Sa
center.
Cubao. Sa
Madam.
Cubao. Tapos sabi ko, ay, ayaw ko dito. Sabi ko, marami ako. Sabi niya, sige, next week. Hindi pa ako pupunta. Talagang pinuntahan niya ako doon. Dinala niya ako. Sabi niya, punta tayo naman doon sa HQ. Dinala niya ako. Parang nainggan niya ako. May Africa, may Pilipino. Sabi nila, ay, hindi ka na makakawala. Sabi niya, bakit?
May 21-day seminar baga.
21 day seminar. Hindi ako pwede sa 21 day seminar. Sabi ko, may pasok ako. Hindi ka na ako sa boss kong in chief. Ay, tapos pag 21 days yun na, hindi na ako. Wait na ako sa trabaho.
So, yung, kumbaga, ang talagang event sa'yo is na 21 days. Okay, so what is your S? What is your salvation?
Ang S ko, pag-attend ng PICC. Ano to ba? Wedding mass. Oh, blessing, na-excite ako. Oh, sabi pa naman ni Kuya Venus, ay, hindi darating yung fiancé. Sabi po na sa akin. Sabi ko, ay, kahit na po, hindi siya magdating. Sabi sa lubulog ko lang, pero masakit sa heart ko. Nagbili na ako sa katas. Nagbili na ako ng brand puti. Ako, eh, siyempre, ay, magkakaboyfriend na ako. Wala akong boyfriend.
And today,
Today,
so because of the salvation, today, what is your life today?
my life today is full of grace. Even my husband is now passed away. Then my daughter is good job. My son is good. It's okay. Now, and bouquet.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay. Iyak si tita.
I'm proud to be here.
Oo.
And God bless. And thank you for preparing me. Talaga.
Oh, no regret. Kinalabutan.
Oo.
So the same question, no regret?
No regret.
Okay.
I'm happy.
Okay, thank you so much. And I'm happy because if there's no Tita Ann in Pyeongchang,
Yeah.
life is boring. We love you, Tita.
Okay,
Sarangamnida. By the way, our Boksanim already announced that next week, we will have our Yahweh, our outdoor Sunday service. So, with relation to that, I think we must invite Filipino sisters, our VIPs, our family, if they have time. How many people could we invite? The Hanpil Kajong, how many people should we go?
I could not promise. Maybe 20 persons.
20 persons? Can we make 20? Of course, I think we can make our family. So 20. Okay, so 20 for our team, together with our family, let's offer number 20. 20, we can do it for next week, 20. So anyway, our secretary, please check the numbers and then could you report directly to Samonim for our Puyin Rejang, okay? So maybe until Friday because of the preparation for food, okay? Okay, aja for next. So now we already prepared our VIP's name for next week. Now let us have unison prayer to be offered for our VIPs, and I hope we could also offer prayer every day for our VIPs for the success of our invitation next week. Let's have our unison prayer. Chongyashin Hanul Pumunim, Chanjin Cham Pumunim. Thank you for allowing us to spend this meeting together today. Sharing laughter through this meeting. And as we end this gathering, please help us carry this Yojong heart in our daily lives. Guide us to continue building sincere relationships and help us to prepare our VIPs to be invited next week. Once again, thank you very much for this wonderful day.
Okay, that was an inspiring video. And this time, we move on to the most important part of our session. So we are going to call on our Leonor 팀장님 to give us a lecture more on invitation part 2. Please give her a warm round of applause.
Yes, good evening. Thank you very much. And thank you for watching the video. It's quite long. I was not able to edit it today, but as you can see, this video is just one of the example on how your team meeting can be conducted. Of course, I'm sure each of your teams in future can do even better by adding your own creativity, sincerity, and heart, of course. And the meeting actually depends on the character of your team. So the flow of our meeting depends on the character of our team. So if you notice, there is another additional team member who joined us this invitation. That member was actually an inactive member for a long time because she had to take care of her husband who was been sick for a long time. So we were able to, as a Trinity, we were able to nurture her and be active member once again. And actually this member, with her consent, of course, with her consent to show this video, of course, I asked consent from her if I could share this. We as a team, we are nurturing her with her faith through our bamboo team. And by the way, before I go on with the next lecture, I heard that the Daegu Church has already started forming their own Hyojong teams. Actually, I want to ask Sister Emma Peralta from Daegu to share something, but I found out her mic is not working. I think so I want to, instead of Ate Emma, I would like to call on Sister Violi Abanil. Ate Violi, could you share us something? We'd love to hear from from you about the team formation in your area. I saw Ate Violi joined us. Is it okay, Ate Violi? Could you share just Ate Violi is here, but she's hearing us. Okay, anyway, I think Ate Violi, can you share? Okay, anyway, I will ask you later. First, I would like to share my PowerPoint presentation to give some more explanation on lesson 3. Okay. So, we are in the week 3 topic, continuation, part 2. So, entitled Invitation. So, this invitation is an invitation of love that quietly opens the heart. So, considering that we have been practicing Hyojong relationships and continuously flowing as pure water and putting into action a love that lives for the sake of others, now it is the time for that love not to stop, but continue to flow. The theme of week 3 is invitation. This invitation is not simply about evangelism. It is not merely saying, come worship with me. Rather, it is a quiet and heartfelt invitation that says, you are precious to me. I want to reconnect with you. So now I am sharing to you the content of the Kwenchana book. This is based on that. The book that was newly published based on it praised. Can you see my PPT is not moving again? Okay. Can you see the PPT right now? I would like to ask our host, Antoinette, to read the Hundok words once again.
Okay, Hundok words. Every day when I open my eyes early in the morning, I start my day with prayer and meditation. And I think carefully about to whom I will give my time and what I will do, and put it into practice. Religious teachings, political, and social reforms are important, but they alone cannot create a happy world. True love is putting on a pair of socks for a neighbor who is shivering in the cold, sometimes sacrificing oneself completely to a stranger without expecting anything in return, and forgetting everything. From Mother of Peace, page 244.
Yes, thank you very much. So this is the word for lesson 3. So what is the key message of this of the word of true mother? So through this, we should realize that the topic of invitation does not only mean evangelism. It is actually the practice of love. True mother teaches us through her words for us to reflect, who can I live for today? What can I do for someone today? This is actually the question, which is the very starting point of invitation. Invitation is not about persuading people with words. It is a heartfelt expression that says, you are precious, you are needed. True invitation is not simply bringing someone to church. It means first entering into that person's life, sharing their joys and struggles, and lighting a warm flame of hope in their heart. And True Mother also mentioned that true love is giving and then forgetting what you have given and expecting nothing in return. Therefore, invitation is not about the results. It is an expression of sincere devotion. So we reach out to others because we love that person and we sincerely hope that he or she will come alive again. So what is the reflection point based on the word of True Mother? From what kind of heart does our invitation or does my invitation begin? So let us now take time to reflect. So close your eyes. Close your eyes because our host Antoinette, I will ask again our host Antoinette to call in random later. Please close your eyes and think. So we are now considering that we have been practicing as a team the Hyojong relationship. And we move now to lesson 3, preparing for invitation. So let us now take time to reflect. Close your eyes and think about one person who comes to your mind. This person can be a member of your family, can be a church member, an inactive member, even active member, or someone you really want to share the love of Heavenly Parent. So close your eyes and think about that person. Now you choose. No, you choose that person. And then, considering that you already chose that person, question, why do I want to invite this person? Why do I want to invite this person? But please check, is it because of obligation? Obligation to fulfill the goal or because of love? Does my invitation come from my desire or from Heavenly Parent's heart? And then question number 2, is there something in this person's heart? So before I invite this person, let me first enter that person's life. What are this person's joys, worries, or pain he or she is experiencing? So let us try to empathize and understand this person first. And number three, yes, I want to invite her. But am I speaking from my heart? Is my invitation just mere words, or is it coming from a sincere heart that truly cares for this person? Let us check our heart. And then, okay, so Antoinette, could you choose someone? From what area?
Si Ate Jiun, Sister Jiun from Henom Church. She's listening now.
Yan.
Ate Jiun.
She can unmute. Okay. How can I?
Ma-mute mo, te? Na-mute mo? Ma-mute mo? Pindutin mo yung ano mo, te. Yung icon ng mic. Hindi rin? Oh. So,
Okay,
usually kasi, ang problema kasi pag hindi po ninyo maano na, kahit na i-click yung mic, dahil sa accidentally na block nyo yung ano, yung pagtanong ng Zoom na allow to access your mic. So kailangan niyan lalabas kayo ulit tapos i-set up ulit ninyo sa device niyo. Pero later na 'yon. Ngayon maybe I will call na lang po si from Kimje, si Ate Yu Jongmi. Te, please unmute.
Very hard for them to unmute.
Kasi nagtatanong kasi ang Zoom if they can access the mic. Kaya lang sometimes.
Okay, so I think
Okay, this.
Ate Emma from Tegu.
Are you okay now, Ate Emma?
Okay na.
Oh,
Okay,
good.
Ate Emma. Ate Emma, by the way, before we go on with our reflection question, I would like you to please. Oh, nawala naman si Ate Emma.
Andyan.
Okay, so I would like to ask you. I've heard that you've been starting to form your Hyojong teams in your area. We would like to hear about that. Could you share briefly on we would like to hear about your team formation in Daegu Church. How are you doing now with your team formation? Ate Emma from Daegu? Where is she? Today, maybe we should learn more about the technical aspects. Ate Emma, I heard you speaking, but I can't hear you now. Okay. Okay, how about I would like to call Gemma from Kangnoong. Gemma, is it okay if it would be awkward to show your face? Just unmute your mic. Gemma from Kangnoong. Hello, Gemma. So, Gemma, thank you. Are you still working? You're still at your resto? Gemma, you can't unmute. Oh, everybody can't unmute today. Okay, so now let's go to Gemma. Can you unmute? You can't unmute? Okay, it's okay. Okay, anyway. Wait.
Since there is a problem with their mics, I think Kim Tangim, I would like to
Okay.
request you to just give examples on how to answer these questions.
Okay, wait. So actually, these reflection questions are just helpful questions in order for us to conduct our reporting sessions for invitation. So these are actually good questions. So before we go on conducting our lesson 3 topic, invitation, before gathering, it is important that you reflect on these 3 questions. So example, I want to invite let's say the name is Kathy. The name of the person I want to invite is Kathy. So why do I want to invite this person? So we should check ourselves first. I want to invite this because I want to add her to my goal as a spiritual child. So is that my intention to invite her, or I want to invite her because I want her to be connected to Heavenly Parents' heart? So we should always check our motivation of invitation. So I chose Kathy. So why do I want to invite this person? I want to invite this person because I felt that she always wants to be with me. She always visits my coffee shop, and I felt that her ancestors really want to connect her to me. So I am giving condition for this non-member to be invited. Actually, I already invited this sister to our Hyojong team. So number two, is there any do I know her worries or pain, or what is she experiencing? Actually, when she visits me, she always opens out her problem, financial problems, especially with her family in the Philippines. She always asks advices from me about her difficulties because her family in the Philippines is expecting her to always send them financial support. So I usually give her advice for that. And because of that, she became artistically close to me. So and because of that Hyojong relationship, I became, she became, she felt comfort when she talks to me. So that's all maybe. So it's just part of reflection for invitation. So when you report, so if you don't have a guest, you during invitation you can talk about this instead. So let us remember that invitation is not about filling empty seats in church. It is not about achieving results. It is about embracing Heavenly Parents, lost children again. So let us invite with a true heart of love. Let us remember that every invitation can become an opportunity to restore one precious soul to the heart of to Heavenly Parent. So this sharing and wrap up question is a reflection question when you do your invitation session. So who was the person you want to invite this time? The same question. So after the invitation, I mean, so who was the person you invited this time? Actually, the person I invited this time, I went to Kangnung last week. They are active members, but I invited them. So I invited the Kangnung church member, my two spiritual children, joined by two members from Kangnung. So how did you feel as you invited or connected with that person? I really felt that in order to invite people, you must really be artistically connected. So that the person you invite will not will not be pressured with your invitation. So it's actually, I really felt very comfortable with Kangnung Church. Although Kangnung is 1 hour from my place, I really felt the feeling of belonging with them. So, and then what did Heavenly Parent teach me through this invitation process? uh, Heavenly Parent taught me that if you really approach people with true love, then they will really feel that love. Uh, they they prepared food for me. they they really took time to to attend to me when I asked them to join me with my invitation. And that's all. Okay. So, as a sharing and wrap up, True Mother taught us putting a pair of socks on the feet of a neighbor who is shivering in the cold with sincere devotion. That is true love. What does True Mother mean with putting a pair of socks as true love? It means that putting a pair of socks is like a quiet, gentle, yet filled with warmth and sincere love. So our purpose is not to force inactive members to return, but to gently knock on the door of their hearts and become a light that reflects Heavenly Parents' love once again. So during the invitation week, this week, make your quiet invitation and help revive one precious soul and become a seed of joy for Heavenly Parent. As you form your Yojong team, you can invite an active member whom you feel that she is lonely, that she needs help. And as you go on with your team, you could also invite resting members. Okay, so these are the practical tips for invitation. Okay, so maybe you could just take a screenshot for this, or you can review with the YouTube. These practical tips for invitation is all based on the book Kwenchana. The book made by Director Gill. And then this is also found in Kwenchana books, the examples of practical invitations. So these are just examples. You can make your own practical invitations. Okay, so now I think that's all. So I was expecting that someone could share their thoughts today, but we have difficulties sharing. Okay, that's all. I hope you learned something about my based on my explanation for today. I think that's all. Aside from Tegu Church, I would like to ask if there are also some areas who are already in the stage of forming Yojong teams. Could you share it? We would like to hear from you. And actually, Director Gill is expecting also from the Filipino missionaries to have more Yojong leaders. Of course, to be a Yojong leader, you should form your team. Do we have some? Actually, I heard from Tegu Church, based from the from what Emma Peralta from Tegu Church told me this morning. They already formed Yojong team in their church, and they already started. They already started doing Yojong meetings. If I can't remember it exactly, but as I remember, they already formed 6 Yojong teams for the Filipino missionaries. So I think there are many Filipino sisters in Daegu because they already formed 6 Yojong teams, and I'm hoping that they can post some pictures. If you already started doing your Hyojong team meetings, please share your pictures of doing it. So of course, at first, it would be awkward but if you remember, Bishop Winnie pointed out that if you practice this meeting, there's no mistake because we are practicing it. So later, I am expecting you for your pictures of doing Hyojong meeting. Actually, I'm not expecting. Director Gil is expecting for us to form Hyojong teams. Okay, so Bishop Winnie, do you have any additional or something to add with what I said? Bishop Winnie, did she hear me?
With regards to invitation,
Yes.
that church terminology actually is witnessing. That is
Okay.
basically about witnessing, no?
Hmm. Witnessing. So so you mean
Uh,
we should use
uh,
the word witnessing, or you're just explaining it?
Please unmute. Bishop Rini, please unmute. I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry. Okay. So,
No.
uh, the word in the topic invitation actually is about witnessing.
Yeah, yes.
We just didn't use the word. We just don't use the word witnessing, no? So one of Father's speeches, one of True Father's word, True Parents' word about witnessing, evangelization, or invitation, Father mentioned like this: you are not bringing people to the church. And that is what Leonard Tim Jiang Nim had mentioned. It's not really about witnessing or evangelizing towards the church, but how you can bring these people back to the heart of Heavenly Parent. So when we are going to have our Hyojong teams, uh, we should we should not be thinking about the church itself, the church. We have to really think that we are forming this team to create a band of family relationship, so that that kind of foundation will really lead all our inactive members back to the true parents, centering on the atmosphere of true love. Kaya na-inspire din ako sa ganitong idea. It's because that is what I am doing. I was doing in the past when I did a lot of activities or witnessing or invitations like this. Kasi nga, hindi ako nakafocus dun sa maging member siya ng church. My focus is how I can uplift that person's heart, and then create a relationship so that it will become a foundation that someday or sooner later, I can introduce true parents. I can bring them to true parents. I can change their lifestyle and then bring them uh, to the blessing. So make it a point na ang mindset natin when we do this invitation, our mindset is very important. What is our focus? If you think na you just wanted to have result, medyo maling focus yon. That's why Leonard Tim Jiang was explaining to us where is our heart motivation is when we will be doing this invitation process. So let's try. Pagka hindi kasi natin itry, hindi natin maintindihan yung tinuturo ni Leonor Timja ngayon eh. Kailangan talaga simulan para ma-feel nyo ba kung ano yung gusto niyang sabihin, kung ano yung pinagsasasabi niya sa atin ngayon, di ba? For 16 weeks, she will be teaching us, and unless we practice this, di natin mapipil yun. Kaya kailangan, let's try. Mahirap magsimula, pero pagka you have started, and then kahit na joking style yan, and then I'm very sure we will also succeed like the Bamboo team, di ba? Let's try, let's try.
Thank you very much, Bishop Winnie. It's really it's really very, very helpful for me because when I discuss about or explain about something, Bishop Winnie will really quote it, the words very, very practically and clearly. Thank you very much, Bishop Winnie. And actually, I was expecting from Tegu Church to share something, but I later, Ate Gemma Peralta, later maybe we should practice unmuting.
Emma Peralta.
Sorry, Gemma, Gemma, I'm looking at you. Ate Emma, I'm looking at Gemma. Ate Emma Peralta, maybe, and we should take some time to practice together. We will practice together how to unmute.
Actually, she sent a message na kung pwedeng tanungin na lang daw si
Sino?
si Ate Violi
Actually, I
or
already called Ate Violi, but she's not responding. She
or Imelda Losada. Sheila
Where's
ano?
hmm?
Sheila
Ate
ano?
Violi. Actually, Ate Violi is mute and no camera for today. This is the first time. I think she's doing something else. Okay. So because it's already 9 o'clock, I think I would just like to ask Ate Emma Peralta to just write it down and share it in our 16-week Hyojong Camp GC, because I think what you told me today, this morning, when Director Gil see this report, he will be very happy about what you told me. So please write it down and just share it in our GC for today. I think that's all for today. Director Gil is not with us today. I can see him. So I think that's all for today. I hope you learned something from me. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, Leonard Timjanim. This time, because Director Gil is not here, we cannot ask him for the brief message. So before we end, let's have some commemorative photo. And I would like to request Bishop Winnie, because her screen can accommodate 50 participants in one page. So could you please take a commemorative photo for all of us?
Okay, first, can you, yes, that one. Okay, pag-aralan natin papaano magkaroon ng magandang mukha pagka nag-zoom. Yung ano niya, yung kamay niyo ba, lagay niyo sa ulo. Ganito, oh. Tapos dapat itong dulo lang na to ang ang nandun sa neto, dun sa boundary. O, pagka malayo, ibig sabihin kulang yung mukha niya, so lapit kayo dapat. Lapit ka lang konti, yun, yan, ganyan. Makikita niyo yung sizes niyo, yung size ng mukha niyo para maganda yung dating. Okay? Katulad si Erwin, malayo ka Erwin, lapit mo ngayon ang mukha mo para maganda. Huwag yung puro ceiling yung nakikita natin sa picture. O si Mila din. Lapit. Tapos i-center. Yan, mga ganyang itsura. Okay. Pagka magpipicture ngayon, tingin kayo sa camera, wag sa screen. Para yung mata nyo parang totoo. Okay? So, let's try. Smile. Tingnan ko muna. Aba,
May baligtad sa Ate Mila.
Si Mila naka-horizontal. Ulitin natin. Mila naka-horizontal. Yung camera mo, hindi ko alam paano gagawin. Ayan, okay. Si Inso, masyadong malaki yung mukha mo, wala kang baba. Tapos yung camera nyo, iganon nyo, wag yung nakahiga. Layo ka ng konti. Yan, okay. So, yes.
Si Ate
Smile
Violi
kayo,
ngayon lumabas.
Yan, okay.
Ate
Smile,
Violi, hello.
everybody. 1, 2, 3. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Ang gaganda, di ba? Wait.
이제
Sandali.
사랑합니다, ate.
Saranghamnida, sandali. Isa-save ko muna para sigurado. Okay, pagka saranghamnida, paano ba yon? Kailangan nakaano? Okay, ganito na lang. Okay. Saranghamnida. 1, 2, saranghamnida. Nakapikitang mata. Ulitin ko ha. Kasi may mga nakapikitang mata ulit. Kaya ganda talaga natin kasi laging pinoposto ni ni Leonor Timjang dun sa tapos palalabasin to ni Professor Gil sa IPIS TV tapos ang papangit natin, di ba? Okay. One more time. Saranghamnida. Yan. Yan ang mga tunay na dalaga, adyuma. Okay. Ano pa ba ang kailangan? Saranghamnida and then?
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida. Isa pa, sandali. Okay. Kamsahamnida.
감사합니다. 네.
Yan. Sige. Okay, papasa ko na lang kay Leonor Tim dyan, tsaka
네, 감사합니다.
kay
Thank you
Yesenin.
so much.
네.
Yeah, good
Okay.
night, everybody.
Good
Thank you so
night.
much.
Please
GQ,
review from
we have to
YouTube.
offer our bow
Yes.
before we end.
Okay, let's go to parents.
Okay. 차렷, 경배, 바로. So this time, it's time to end our session for tonight. And thank you so much again, sisters. And see you next Tuesday. Thank you and have a
night, everyone.
happy week,
감사합니다.
everyone.
Good
Good
night.
night, everybody.
감사합니다.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
감사합니다. everyone.
간사님, you can turn off. Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you, everyone.
감사합니다.
Thank you, everyone.
수고하셨습니다.